Assalamu alaikum student. I hope you are fine. Today our topic is founder of different terms. So let's start. Father of biology is called Aristotle. In Urdu we use the term Arastu. Father of modern biology, Carlos Linnaeus. Father of antibiotics. So Carlos Linnaeus is the scientist which use the term binomial nomenclature, and this is globally accepted this rule, and these binomial nomenclature is used for giving a scientific name to different living organism. By the way, next we have father of antibiotics Alexander Fleming. Next we have father of taxonomy Carlos Linnaeus. Father of immunology Edward Jenner. Father of microbiology Antonio van Leeuwenhoek. Next we have father of modern microbiology Louis Pasteur. Father of medical microbiology Robert Koch. Father of pathology Rudolf Virchow, and his common motto or term is omnia cellula e cellula, which mean ke pre-existing cell they regenerate to form a new cell. It's mean a new cell are formed from pre-existing cell. So next we have father of bacteriology Robert Koch, and this they have main contribution for the discovery and their role in the bacteria and their contribution toward the bacteriology, and also in bacteria and its interaction with the viruses. Next we have father of virology W.M. Stanley. Father of embryology Aristotle. Father of modern embryology Ernest von Baer. Father of physiology Stephen Hales. Father of modern experimental physiology called Bernard. Father of genetics Rev. George Mendel. Mendel law of inheritance we use. These are proposed by George Mendel. Father of modern genetics Bateson. Father of human genetics or biochemical genetics is Archibald Garrod. Father of experimental genetics T.H. Morgan, and he used the household fly Drosophila, and he experiment on it. Father of haploid genetic or neurospora genetic is Dodged. Father of ecology Theophrastus. Father of cloning Lane Wilmette. Father of plant anatomy Grew. Father of histology or microscopic anatomy Malfigay. Father of cytology Robert Hooke. These also introduced the term cell. Father of modern cytology Swanson. Father of paleontology, it's also called study of fossil Leonard da Vinci. Father of modern paleontology Cuvier. Father of concept of evolution Amphodassel. Father of botany Theophrastus. Father of modern botany Johann